We are just passers-by in the long history. We are so tiny in the vast universe. Humans lived on, occupied, and then overexploited the Earth. Now the Earth is already covered with wounds. In the Paleolithic age, we started to use tools because of our instinct. In the Neolithic age, wise humans created the slash and burn method. In the Industrial age, the ecological unbalance caused by overexploitation can't be neglected. Development of resource regeneration is extremely urgent. Entrepreneurs of Kartso have engaged in the sapphire field for years. We hope to employ the luxury sapphire technology for commercial utilization. First, it is difficult to provide low-cost products. On the premise of environmental protection, it is more difficult to recycle resources. Transcending nature is the limit of challenges. Only silt of soil erosion is the best material. The silica content of silt is as high as 98%. Silica is the best weatherproof material. Scientists simulate volcanic eruptions, integrate multiple sciences of machinery, light, electricity, physics, and chemistry, and conduct complex processes such as high-temperature smelting at 1600 degrees Celsius, molecular chain restructuring, crystal nucleus cultivation, and crystal phase adjustment. Finally, the new generation of stone-like, jade-like, and diamond-like building materials is created. Kartso fully combines the unique jade-like grain and modern architectural art and makes spaces warmer. Kartso derives from sand and is better than stone, as hard as diamonds and as beautiful as jade. Maybe we don't need to change the world. However, we can make the world more beautiful. We shoulder the mission of transcending nature for self-creation. We believe that, in the near future, the damaged mountains will be gradually covered with forests. The turbid rivers will gradually become clear, and the haze will not cover azure skies anymore.